Now pull up the stock of PVR INOX, and we have with us Sanjeev Kumar Bijli, the Executive Director at PVR INOX, and Gaurav Sharma, Senior VP Corporate Finance and Head IR Finance as well, joining in on the show right now. Gentlemen, hi. Great to have you today on ET Now, and many congratulations. Highest ever revenue that we've seen so far in the second quarter. Mr. Bijli, if I could start the discussion with you, you must be elated at Team PVR INOX. It's been a really steady ship in the second quarter. The question is, can it continue this kind of momentum?
Yeah, no, thank you so much. And you're right, it's festive season for us before the festival starts. We're all very excited and elated by the results in this quarter, which obviously was augmented by the great lineup of films and some great cinemas and new properties that we had added. And we're pretty confident and sanguine that this kind of a trend will continue because not only we have a good pipeline of films in the third quarter and the fourth quarter, and we're also adding some very exciting new properties going forward.
Yeah, and content also has improved, right? Because that was the earlier worry, and we have seen across different languages, across different, kind of genres as well. We have seen an improvement. The question is it also resulting in better occupancies?
Yes, of course. I mean, I think these numbers are a reflection of admissions and occupancy. So the fact that people are coming back to the cinemas to consume all kinds of content, all languages, and also all medium, small, big films, and this is leading to higher admissions and higher occupancies, which is able to deliver these results.
Right. Mr. Bijli, if you could just break up how the numbers have been and how the F&B revenues in particular have panned out for you.
The SPH actually in this quarter, the spend per head that we define it by is about 136 rupees, which has gone up by almost 15%. And the average ticket price has been 276 this quarter, which has been a very healthy jump of about 25%. And the admissions this quarter were 48.4 million across all the screens.
The question is, all of these improvements that we are seeing in the metrics as well, we have seen the improvement in margins on account of that, which is almost 20% and above. Do you think that momentum will also continue and there is a northward bias when it comes to margins going forward?
Yes, that's the endeavor. And I think that is what we are hoping for. And that, as I said, is a combination of great content pipeline and great cinemas and new properties opening up. But at the same time, we're also doing a lot. Operating teams are doing a lot in terms of maximizing revenues, providing various promotions both for tickets and for F&B, and trying to get more people into the cinemas by doing a combination of all these promotions and marketing. So many more people actually come and watch films.
Yes, they do, but it's all dependent on the kind of content that comes out. So give us some color on what's the release or movie pipeline looking like for the next quarter.
Very exciting. I mean, today we opened Leo Down South, which has opened to phenomenal admissions and numbers. We have Tiger 3 coming out in November. December is looking jam-packed, and I think it's going to be as good as August with Dunki, Salar. We have Animal, Merry Christmas, and Marvels. I'm glad the movie lineup is coming on the screen as well. And Aquaman. So there's a combination of Hindi, English, and regional films that are coming up in this quarter, and they all look amazing. They all look brilliant.
I'm very intrigued to understand this new subscription plan that you had announced, that 699 rupees looked very attractive. How's been the response to it? Because I think it was only for the first 20,000 customers. Are you looking at expanding that perhaps?
Well, we actually just launched that on Monday, so it's too soon to actually see the kind of result. But as I said, we, as a company which keeps sort of addressing the issues that are out there in the market amongst the consumers, and ticket price was one of them. And it's a pilot that we have launched in select cities and with just 20,000 coupons. So far, the response has been good. It's been reasonable. And depending upon the overall response, we will probably extend it to other cities and make it more, offer more vouchers going forward. So it's just in a pilot stage, but initial response has been very good, yes.
I hope you're looking at an extension to Friday as well. From what I understand, it's only a Monday to Thursday kind of passport.
Yeah. Yes, it is. It's actually for the weekdays, because touchwood for us, weekends tend to be busy, and it is a very weekend skewed business. But I think weekdays also, if we are able to provide the same form of entertainment in the same cinemas with the same comfort at a lower price, I think we will have some takers for that in the market.
You opened almost 40 screens in the quarter gone by. Is this the kind of run rate we should expect in the coming quarters as well?
Absolutely. We're looking at opening a total of about 150 screens the whole year, financial year. So Q3 and Q4 put together, we're roughly looking at adding about 40 screens each in each quarter.
Okay, on that note, gentlemen, we let you go. Really appreciate you making time and speaking with ET now. So yes,